Hey guys, good morning. Although, morning to me, evening to you. It's just about 8 o'clock, Sunday night. And I thought I'd do a little review on my Rough Ryder Faded Blue Jeans Pipe Doctor folding knife, RR2352. And just so you guys know, I'm not buying a knife every week. I've kind of had most of the ones I've had, I don't know, probably over the last couple of years, maybe the last year. Maybe once every 2 or 3 months, I'll pop on one or two, a new one or something like that. Sorry I don't have the box for this one. So it's a Pipe Doctor, and, that may or may not be of use to, everyone out there. But I'll be honest, this is more my house knife. I use it in the kitchen to cut stuff. Not really food, but like boxes and containers and stuff like that. The little pipe poker thing I actually use to open up my chew cans sometimes. Just run it across there. It's pretty safe. So I'm not going to cut myself with it as I roll it back toward myself. Let's see. What can I say about it? Well, so it comes in, I don't know what they have in stock currently, but it comes in other than this faded blue jean, which I really liked. I like the faded blue jean color. Has a nice shield on it, the RR shield, and has an R on the bolster. And there's silver nickel bolsters, whatever that's in. And it just has a really nice fit and finish. You can see the brass liners on the back springs there. But the walk and talk on this is absolutely ridiculous. And it's honestly what motivated me to pick up, some of the other pocket knives that they have, because I just enjoyed it. And like I said, this, has a little bit limited usage for me. Not sure if you can hear that. I was just really impressed with that walk and talk. Strong springs on it for sure. The blade length is a little bit longer, than I needed. Me and a buddy of mine actually sharpened this and one of my other knives on his sharpener. We got it pretty sharp. Might have changed the profile of the edge a little bit. So there's RR there on the blade tang. Trying to see what else it says below that. Different magnification. Need a little bit better lighting here. I think it says Rough Ryder below that. That's what it looks like to me through the camera. And on the back, the number and China. It is 440A stainless. Just a nice loud walk and talk on that. So I picked it up for the previous price that's listed, $16.99. It's on sale for $10.99 currently. I would pick up, I'd probably pick up a couple of them at that price, to be honest. I saw some, I think, on other knife distributing sites. There's one with wasp handles. Just and let's see, a tobacco, maybe on their own on Smoky Mountain Knife Works or other knife distributing sites. There was like a tobacco colored with a actual, like a little pipe shield. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, $10.99. You know, if it's something that remotely interests you, I think that's a pretty good deal. The knife itself, 3.75 inches closed. Let's see if we can get a blade length here. And I'll mention something to you that I thought about doing with this. Let's zoom out here. So it looks like blade length is maybe just under 3 with a sharpened edge of, we'll say 2.5 inches. Just noticed something on here that I don't know what that is. You guys see this right here? I'm not really sure what that is. If I got something, it's almost like looks like, yeah, it looks like it's part of the copper liner, and I never just put that into the light, and I never noticed that before. It seems connected to the copper liner. That's kind of cool. But yeah, just a really, really nice fit and finish to it overall. I don't feel any bumps or transitions or whatever. So on this poker thing, let's see here. Overall, almost 2.5. The poker itself looks like almost 1 maybe it is 1 3/4. Just over 1.5, maybe, I don't know. Diameter, Jiminy Cricket, I don't even know. A few millimeters, whatever. 2 or 3. See if I can get that for you guys. I got my readers on, but maybe 3 millimeters around. I'm not sure. The one thing that other people mentioned that I noticed is that, I guess it's not quite over the blade, a little bit. They felt they would have been happier if the poker went a little bit lower. And I thought about it. I suppose I could take it down there a little bit with my Dremel. But a little knowledge is a dangerous thing, like, but, I suppose I could. Also thought about doing something with at least part of the diameter of this with my Dremel, but I don't know. I've left it alone. Let's see what else. There was something else. So guess the actual purpose, you know, this is sort of like a, let's see, a little scrapers, you know, a swedge, I guess if you want to call it, but I think it's meant more as a scraper for the inside of your bowl, where it's not cutting it or something. Pipe, bowl, whatever you want to call it. Bowl of your pipe. I think that is almost it. So this is micarta. It's denim. This is blade length, 3 inches. Okay. Maybe the main blade. Oh, I thought I was burning my pizza for a second. Making a quick pizza before work, and I realized I pulled it out. Okay. Blade finish satin. Let's see if the overview has anything to shed on this here. Okay, 3-inch sheep's foot blade. I forgot about the profile of the blade. So it's a 3-inch sheep's foot. 448, like I said. Pipe cleaner. Unique feature. I mean, there's actually doctor's knives too that have like probably a blade like this and a kind of like a spatula blade for like a tongue depressor or something to do something with pills. Oh, and I forgot about this feature. I think it's more pronounced on the regular doctor's knives, but like a flat, this is like a flat surface where they would crush up pills. But I think this one's for like tamping the tobacco into your pipe. But yeah, sort of a flat surface, and it has the nice brass liners back there too. If I'm getting a good image of that or not. Oh, let's see here. Eyes are a little shot tonight, even with my readers. Subjoint. Yeah, I think that's, let's see, sheep's everyday tasks and pipe maintenance, and I would have to agree with that. Just a good little pocket knife. It's really thin, you know, thin around. It's longer than some of my knives, but some of the other ones. Certainly it would be pocket carryable. But, yeah. It is definitely overall a sharp, handsome looking knife. See what I'm feeling back here. Just a little bit of the back there. That's not bad. Better than some of the pocket knives for sure. As far as a little back edge. But anyway, guys, I hope you found this a little interesting. Like I said, at $10.99, I think that's a terrific price for as well made as at least the one that I got. Trying to zoom out here. What are we doing there? I think we did. No, we didn't. There we go. Yep. So at $10.99, certainly a value. But I hope you guys are having a good Sunday, had a good weekend, and hope you're getting time to spend some time with family and friends. All right, guys. Take care.